Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to record sound in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to record sound in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Adding sound to PowerPoint aims to enrich the presentation with audio elements that can make it more interesting and interactive. For example, I want to record with this text. Go to the Insert menu. Drag to the right. Tap the audio icon. Tap Record Audio. Now here a small box will come out to record sound. Now to record it. Tap the small red round button. Renewable technologies include innovations that focus on sustainability and efficiency of natural resources. Examples include renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydro, as well as electric cars that reduce carbon emissions. Energy storage technologies, artificial intelligence, and smart agriculture also play a role in optimizing the use of energy and resources. All of these support environmentally friendly and sustainable development. Click Stop when finished. Now here the speaker logo appears. Tap Now. Here we can run the sound. Tap Start. Renewable technologies include innovations that focus on sustainability and efficiency of natural resources. Well, for example, if there is an error, we can edit it. Go to the Playback menu. To the right and select Trim Audio. Here the editor will come out. You can edit it. After finishing, tap OK. By adding narration or sound effects, you can provide a clearer explanation or create a certain atmosphere. Sound also helps audiences who may have difficulty reading text, as well as increasing the visual and auditory appeal of the presentation. So that's it. Tutorial how to record sound in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.